Welcome to Tiafo Garage. Today's video is just a quick video on how to repair the rear seat middle armrest on a 2015 Mercedes GLA. Happens to be AMG. I suspect it applies to other vehicles. Just a quick one. Enjoy.
Tiafo Garage.
Here we have my better half's Mercedes AMG GLA. This back middle divider, when I push it down, it only goes, whoops, that far, and it doesn't want to go further. So I believe the remedy here is there's one screw here that I took out. It has a Torx, and it looks like this. And take that one screw out, which you can get at when you put the seat down. Yeah, you can get access that way. And then take this out. It's just got the screw holes on the one end and pins on the other. And I believe, so this just kind of popped out, but that pops back in. That has happened before. Yeah. The pin is supposed to go into this channel here, this groove, but instead it's hitting the plastic behind here. There's a little plastic there. So I'm going to cut away that. You can see the slightly light color where I think it's hitting, it's not supposed to. So I'm just going to cut a notch here. And just to demonstrate, it did fix it. It goes all the way down now. It has a detent. Push it back in. So, back in business. Enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. And if you enjoy this type of content, please do like, share, and subscribe. It will help the channel, and we will see you next time on Tiafo Garage.